burning plasma are called coronal mass ejections. And usually, as long as they don't fire at Earth, they do no harm. But in December 2011, a blast lashing towards Mercury appears to strike something.
Just before striking the planet Mercury, suddenly, out of nowhere, something appears.
It looks like a spacecraft.
It's almost as if a spaceship's cloaking device just got destroyed.
It's like those moments in Star Trek where the Klingon bird of prey suddenly reveals its presence.
The object becomes known as the Mercury mothership. The appearance of the unidentified object on images from NASA spacecraft generates intense speculation.
A lot of people look at that video and say this proves that spacecraft are hiding out there in our solar system, and this one, the camouflage, was simply blown off by the solar ejection.
I'm not sure which is cooler, the idea that there's a cloaked ship hiding near Mercury, or that we caught it with its pants down when that solar flare hit.
A cloaked spaceship sounds like pure science fiction, but the idea is closer to reality than you might think.
The notion of cloaking technology for spaceships being able to hide is super popular in science fiction, in Star Trek, but it's actually real technology that we have right now.
One of the world's leading defense contractors already has working prototypes of an advanced cloaking device capable of masking the infrared signature of war machines as big as a tank.
So our cloaking technology today is limited by the size of the cloaking devices. We can block microwaves or radars, but not anything like visible light. But just because we don't have the technology to block visible light, much less cloak a spaceship, doesn't mean it couldn't exist.
Even though cloaked spaceships are a theoretical possibility, analysis of the NASA imagery reveals there may be a simpler explanation for the Mercury mothership.
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but this is not an uncloaking alien ship.
It's an artifact of the image processing. Each day that SOHO takes photographs, those images are combined into a movie. Things that aren't moving get taken out. Things that are moving stay behind. And in this video, what's moving? The stars are moving, Mercury is moving, the solar energy is moving. What we're seeing here is actually a ghost image of Mercury from the previous day.
What looks like an uncloaking ship was in fact Mercury the day before.
Mankind's telescopes and spacecraft catch only a tiny glimpse of our vast solar system. Observers lurking in the darkness of space would not require any advanced technology to remain undetected.